Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make cocomelon. Yes, today we will learn how to draw cocomelon. So let's start. For that I am taking this green color sketch pen and let's start drawing. Cocomelon is a very famous YouTube channel. They are basically creating kids content. So it's the logo of cocomelon. Just draw it like this. Okay, now I'm taking a pink color sketch pen and draw the center part of cocomelon. Just draw it. Okay, now join it from above. So this is the base. Okay, now I'm taking again green color and draw the lines. Okay, now we'll start coloring it. In this way we color the lines in between. We will leave one line, then color another, then again leave one, color, leave, color. In this way we will color it. So I am drawing a bug here as it is shown in cocomelon always. So this is our ladybug. Okay. Okay, let's color the eyes of ladybug. And we are done. Now draw the antenna here. Make a circle. Okay, now we'll draw the eyes of our cute cocomelon. Nose and a smile. So our cute cocomelon drawing is complete. Now we'll do the coloring. First of all, I'm going to color the eyes. Color them with black color. Now we'll color the cheeks. Color the cheeks with dark pink color. Now color the remaining stripes with parrot green color. Now we'll color the bug with red color. Now we'll do the purple color in antenna, blue color in circles. Okay, so now I'm going to color center part of the screen of our cocomelon with a light peach color. Okay, so I have colored the screen of our cocomelon. Now do the blue color here. Now do the black color in body of ladybug. And our cute cocomelon is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.